What's your thoughts about being this close? What's your thought?
I like that.
You hear a new song, and it's your favorite, but pretty soon you'll be changing the station, and all your old shoes are looking brand
really
new.
want
They
this
wanna
house?
be worn, but they never get the chance to. Heavy into everything, ready for the next
want the
thing.
house, Josh?
Get your eye for a while,
That's
and
a
you're
positive,
over it.
right?
You change your mind on it,
right,
soon
what's
as the
yours?
shine's gone, like you always do. Well, you don't know it yet, but whoa. Whoa, I ain't gonna be that easy to leave. Whoa, whoa, girl, I'm gonna make you miss me, make you wish that you were sleeping in my shirt. Lie about my jacket and tell everyone it's yours. When your phone rings after midnight and you're thinking maybe it's me, I'm gonna make you miss me. Cold and hot, you burn out like a match. Keep a slip knot in the strings you attach. You think it's easy, but that's a lie. The only reason that you're good at goodbye is every boy you ever met was too easy to forget. Well, I ain't going out like that. Whoa, whoa. Sleeping in my shirt, lie about my jacket and tell everyone it's yours. When your phone rings after midnight and you're thinking maybe it's just me, I'm gonna make you miss me. Girl, I'm gonna make you miss me, writing letters that you're never gonna mail. Stay up and paint my favorite shade of red on your nails, 'cause you can't fall asleep and you wishing you were with me. I'm gonna make you miss me, make you miss me, make you miss the way my hand fit in your hand when you're dialing my number, listening to my favorite bands. I'll say, hey baby, you know, and say, just come and get me. I'm gonna